Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS PAL Online and hope everybody is doing pretty well. The purpose for making this video is to let you know that I have recently introduced an English language proficiencies classes. Yes, you have heard it right. It is an English language proficiencies classes and it is comprises of speaking and listening and obviously the functional grammar and the vocabularies. Okay, so I will be improving your vocabularies because without the vocabularies you may not be able to speak the better sentences and the better structures. And as far as the grammar is concerned, all the functional grammar that is necessary to be used in the English language, I'm going to let you know and I'm going to teach you all those grammars as well. And last but not the least, obviously the most crucial point, and that is the practice of speaking. We are going to have the speaking practices with the proper pronunciation, not with the proper accent. Remember that you may not be able to produce an accent like Britons, an accent like Americans, an accent like Australians or Canadians, because you are not the native speakers there. You're not the national. You're not the persons from those countries. You're not the nationals from those countries. So it is useless to make the accents like them. And it is my personal suggestions for all of you guys as well. Better not to go for creating such accents because it may be quite harmful for you. Okay, the people may mock at you. People may laugh at you. Okay. So apart from that, so I have introduced it and I would like you guys to enroll in my online classes, and it is obviously in the same timing, on the same timings, that is Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays evenings. And simultaneously, I'm also having the IELTS classes, and a lot of videos related to my IELTS classes are already present in my social media channels, and they are like YouTube, they are Twitter, they are Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Okay, so just Google my name, Sarfaraz Khan IELTS, and you will be able to know a lot about me and my work. So don't wait, grab up your phone and book a free demonstration class before starting your actual class. Okay, so see you there and have fun.